Hello everyone, my name is Tommy and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a get ready with me for my birthday. It is a surprise. I have no idea what is going to happen. All I know is that I have to be ready by 6:30, which is in like an hour and a half, so I need to get this done. Also, today is my first time ever doing winged liner on my channel. I don't actually know how that's going to work out for me, so I guess we'll find out. Anyways, I will see you guys in a second. Hello everyone, I am back and we are going to go ahead and hop right in. This is a more complicated eye look that I'm used to, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyes first, which I normally do not do. So I'm just going to go ahead and go in with... I think what I'm actually going to do first is just spritz my face with some MAC Fix Plus. Yeah. My fan that I have readily available, obviously. Woo. It honestly feels so good. It's like the best. I love doing this part. Okay everyone, next I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define, or excuse me. Oh my god, I was right. Conceal and Define Full Coverage Foundation. I don't know why I'm second guessing myself right now. And I'm just going to go ahead and put this right here. Woo! I don't really like this applicator too much, honestly. Like, everything about this is so good except for the applicator. I feel like it's just, I don't know. I just want to put it on my sponge. Which I guess I could do, but it's fine. We're just going to use some charged water from MAC to moisten our Morphe Beauty Sponge here. We're just going to buff this in. Okay, I'm not going to set this right now, but what I am going to do is I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. It's this one right here. I've used it recently and it's just worked so good every single time. Like, any look that I want to do, it just lets those shadows glide on there perfectly. Just no effort required. Even if the shadow isn't like super pigmented, it just like gives it a really good base to stick to. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe 152 brush, and I'll be going into the Naughty Girl palette, and I think I'm going to be using... Wow. I literally just did that with my nail. I'm doing so good. Anyways, I'm going to be going into, I think, actually the shade that I stabbed is the one that I wanted, which is kind of funny. It's, oh, actually, no, it's this one right here. I'm going to be trying this one on my lid. I just want kind of like a lighter, more like skin toned shimmer. Nothing crazy, definitely like a nude shimmer. Just on my lid. Perfect. Now what we are going to do is we are going to get ready to cheat because I like cheating. It's honestly, I don't know how I would do it without this. So I've been practicing quite a bit for this, actually. Again, I think I showed you guys in my last video when I did really crazy eyeshadow for the Valentine's Day. I used tape as well. So I'm just going to go ahead and line it up how I would want the wing to go. Now that we have the tape pretty much set where we want it, I'm going to go ahead and use this pencil brush, essentially, and go into this MAC gel liner. This is in the shade Black Trick, and I'm going to go ahead and just put that on there because this stuff is pretty aggressive, and I believe waterproof, don't quote me, but yeah, so let's hope that I don't mess up. Now that we have the initial part of that one lined down, I'm going to go ahead and go in with this e.l.f. Eyeliner as well. The reason I'm using this one is because I can sharpen it and make it super thin. So I can get exactly what I want. I'm going to be going in my crease, starting here and ending at 3/4 in. Okay everyone, now that that part is done, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my concealer, Makeup Revolution again in C1, and I'm just going to go ahead and do my concealer as usual, being really careful not to mess up that really delicate wing that we have going on. Okay everyone, now that we have put on our lower liner, connected it to the inner corner, and we pretty much have this side all complete, I'm going to go ahead and complete this side and then the rest of my face off of camera, and then I will be back for lashes, lips, some highlight, and final thoughts for you guys. Hello everyone, we are back. I went ahead and did the other eye off of camera as well as the rest of my foundation, some contouring and highlighting, and filled in my brows. Now what I am going to be doing is putting on my lashes now. Recently this brand has really caught my attention as far as like affordability and quality of lashes. This is my first time trying this particular kind. It's the Cosmetics London Eyelure Luxe Make Effect lashes. You can pick these up at Ulta and I'm sure also directly from Eyelure online, although I haven't looked. So I'm going to go ahead and just get these ready and pop these on. I'm doing so good. Okay everyone, now that those lashes are applied, I do have to say they're looking super, super nice. They applied really easily. They have a decently thin strip. It blended with the liner really, really well, and I'm honestly not mad at them. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and go into my lips at this point. I want to do like a red lip, like a really aggressive red lip to go with my very aggressive moment that I have going on. But before I do that, I am going to show you guys a neat little trick if you are wearing something that does show your collarbones. If you just highlight the tops of your collarbones, it just really makes everything pop as far as like in pictures, and it gives you that like skinny legend moment. There's also, of course, these two lines here that you can highlight. I'm not really sure what they are called, but you'll figure it out. Sure, you can Google away. Google away. I'm honestly running out of steam. This was a pretty difficult look. I'm going to be using the MAC lipstick in Amplified. It's this one right here, nice pretty dark red. And then the liner that I'll be using is this MAC liner, and this is the lip pencil in Chicory. So I'm going to kind of align my lips first. And okay everyone, and to finish off the lips, I'll be using the Urban Decay Vice Lip Topper in Cedar. And I'm just going to go ahead and place that right in the center of my lip. Okay everyone, and then I'm going to be using my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I just picked this up at Ulta and I'm in love with it. And the reason why is because it's super fine droplets that go all over your face, and versus the Fix Plus is very good, don't get me wrong, but there are times when like certain spots will get wetter than other places, and I feel like this just sets the face a lot more evenly. Next, I'm just going to pop on some mascara. Again, for my lower lashes, I normally use the MAC Extended Play, and then for the top one, I'll either use Gigalash or MAC False Lashes. So I'm going to go ahead and complete my mascara, and we will be right back. I am feeling really, really beat, and I'm super proud of how this turned out. This is definitely one of the hardest makeup looks I've ever done. I'm not a fan of liner because I mess it up literally every single time. So, anyways, I did it for you guys. I really enjoyed it. I'm off to my birthday dinner. I'm sure I will see some of you there. At the end of the day, I would just like to remind everyone that this is makeup and this is my hobby and this is also my channel that I do for fun. But I do want to get back to you guys. So I do have something for you guys that stayed until the end. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, and I would love to reach 1,000 by my birthday month ending, which of course will be the 31st of March. I will keep you guys posted if we get there with a screenshot. But anyways, I do want to do a giveaway, which will be live on my Instagram, most likely the same exact day that I post an Instagram picture with this look. So I do actually have two things to give away. I'll show you guys right here. We have 2 liquid lips and the eyeshadow palette. This is the late Karl Lagerfeld's collaboration with Model Co. It's a very beautiful nude palette, as you guys can see on the back. I'll be doing a tutorial with it as well here within the next few weeks. And then of course the 2 liquid lip set. It's going to be just like the other giveaway that I did that Anna one. Shout out to you, Anna. You're a huge supporter and follower of mine from day one, and I really appreciate you. If you guys are interested in that giveaway, there will be a link down below. You just have to head over to my Instagram to enter. Anyways, I'm completely done. Thank you so much for staying to the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.